Hello, dear parents, dear guests. Today we are going to represent our unit, and the students will talk about wants and needs. Let's welcome them.
Today we are going to learn about wants and needs. Needs are things that we must have to live. Wants are things that we like but they don't really need. Let's see how this works in real life. Our unit is replacement type. Central idea is circumstances determine people's wants and needs. Today we are going to show some role plays from which will show our couple goals. Dad, I really need your video game. I want ice cream right now. Those are wants. Let's talk about what we need. We need food to eat, water to drink, clothes to wear, and place to live. Let's take care of our needs first. Sometimes we want fun things, but needs are very important. It's raining here. I need warm coat, glass, and hot soup. It's so hot where I live. I need water, shade, and light clothes. See, where you live change what you need. Oh no, my house go after the storm. I wanted my teddy bear, but I really need food and blanket. I'm here to help. I brought water, food, and blankets. Thank you for your helping. We really need this.
Süleyman Mikel.
Gəlin indi müxtəlif həyat tərzi yaşayan insanlarına ehtiyaclarına baxaq. Mən fermada şairim, ailəmə kömək etmək üçün çəkmək və ailə travmasındır. Mən mənzildə yaşayıram. Mənə məktəb çantası, kitab və Bakı kart lazımdır. Sizcə biz həsənəndə ehtiyaclarımız dəyişir? Mən bugün oynamağa getmək istəyirəm, amma özüm yaxşı hiss etmirəm. Bugün sən ehtiyacın dincəlmə, sürpüşmə və qayğıdır. Sağlamlığımız dəyişir də, ehtiyaclarımız da dəyişir. Xəstə olanda bizə dərman lazımdır. Cəmilə.
Emilia Tolga.
Yalnız biraz az pulum var. Şinyat istəyirəm. Amma çirəyə və şirəyə ehtiyacım var. Əvvəlcə ehtiyacını almaq hava içindir. Tox və sağlam qalmaq üçün Biz həmişə sağlam qidalar almalıyıq.
Resurslar məhdud olanda ehtiyacları seçmək vacibdir.
Bunlar bölməviz və baxlı qısa səhnəciklər idi. Biz ümid edirik ki, bizim çatdırmaq istədiyimiz mesajlarını başa düşdünüz. Unutmayın ki, ehtiyaclarımız daha vacibdir. Bizim yaşamak üçün bəzi şeylərə ehtiyaclarımız var. Ama istekler sadece hayatımızı maraqlı eden əlavə şeyler.
Yoxsulluğu və acılığı azaltmaq üçün biz həmişə ehtiyacları seçməli və başqalarına ehtiyaclarını ödəməkdə kömək etməliyik. Əziz valideynlər, gəldiyiniz üçün təşəkkür edirik. İndi isə bizim rəqsimizə baxın.
But before the dance, we would like to show you some questions. And please, dear parents, students, go. Students and parents, please raise your hand if you think that this is your need. What do you think about it? Raise your hand if this is your need. Okay. Bu sizin ihtiyacınızdırsa, zəhmət olmasa əlinizi qaldırarsınız. Okay. Okay. İstek de olabilir, ihtiyaç da olabilir. Okay, the next. Okay, sizce bu ihtiyaçtır yoksa istek? İhtiyaç olan elini kaldırsın. Medicine. Okay, növbəti. Sizce bu istektir yoksa ihtiyaç? İhtiyaç olanın? Students think that this is want. İstek değiller. Okay, növbəti. İhtiyaç bence. Bence de ihtiyaç. Need. Okay, növbəti. Who thinks that this is need? Kimin için ihtiyaçtır? Need. Is this a need for you? Great. Okay. Okay. Növbəti. How? Be careful. Of course need. Of course. The next, please. PS5. For whom this is a need? Okay. Clothes. Books. Smartphone. Is that a need for you? Okay. Ice cream. Okay. That's the question. Okay, Jacuzzi, what do you think? Is that a need? Bread. Çörek. İhtiyaç fikirləşən zəhmət olmasa əlini qaldırsın. Bread. İhtiyaç. Okay, the next. Okay, water. Okay. That's it. Our presentation is finished. And now, please, look at our dance show.
We need food, we need air, a place to sleep and clothes to wear, clean water to drink, a home to meet. These are the things that keep us on our feet. Daily needs and wants. What's the clue? One we must have. One's just cool. Thinking through. Let's be smart. Knowing the difference is a great place to start. Teddy bear is nice to hold. A shiny bike that's painted gold. Candy, sweet, and toys are fun, but they're not things we need to run on we needs. And once was the clue, one we must have. One's just cool. Think it through. Let's be smart. Knowing the difference is a great place to start. A shiny bike that's painted gold. Candy, sweet, and toys are fun, but they're not things we need to run. All we need are roof. What's the clue? One we must have. One's just cool. Think it through. Let's be smart. Knowing the difference is a great place to start. Need a roof. Yes, we do. Need some shoes. Yes, it's true. Need a rocket ship. No, we don't. Need some books. Yes, we want. Now we needs and wants. Now we know what helps us live and helps us grow. Needs come first, then wants can be a fun little extra for you and me.